Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Yonatungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. So to achieve this jumbo twist, I'll be using fluffy kinky, and the hair is by Darling. Okay, so I'm going to start by just fluffing out the hair, as this is the only way we can get our extension to look natural and all that. So after fluffing out the hair, this is the finished look. So I've already started doing my hair, and I just did like the first row, so onto a second row, of which guys I'm going to show you. So as you watch this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. If you enjoy watching hair tutorial, please be sure to stick around for this and many more hair videos. Okay, so I'm going to start by just passing my crochet needle through my braid, just like so. Take the hair, attach it on the hook, and then I'm going to pull it through, just like you can see in the video. And then before I start twisting, I make sure that I wrap my natural hair, or rather I hide my natural hair onto one strand of the extension, and then I'm going to twist all the way to the very end of this hair. So hope you guys, you're going to give this style a try, and if you will, please let me know in the comment section down below. So guys, the process is pretty much repetitive, so I'm going to let this video play and hope you guys enjoy this video. And again, if you learn a thing or two, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below. And as you watch, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow.
I'm super excited for you all to see the finished look, because we are on to our last twist. So thank you all so much for staying till this point. I truly appreciate all your support. So guys, this was it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now and take care.